Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for another short episode to the Australian Canary channel. Okay, now with the channel, just an update. There'll be 10 short videos for the rest of the year. So this is number 5, and we've got another 5 to go. So, okay, so now a breeding season update. So I currently got, I've got around 17 pairs of Gloucesters, 4 pairs of Crestbred, and a pair of 5s. So at the moment, I'm around 75% through my first round, and I've got a total of 23 chicks, and I've got 2 pairs that are due to hatch by tomorrow. They both got 4 eggs each, and they're all full. So I'm quite happy with the result. Now also, I lost one chick that was not even a day old, and all the others have survived so far, so fingers crossed. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now, we're just going to take a little look at some of my birds, some of the young, and also Michael Pulo has shared some of his videos of hand feeding, so we'll take a little look at that. And yeah, so and just one other thing, guys. Now, if you want to know the difference between a cinnamon bird and just your normal coloured bird, like your yellows or your buffs or your greens, and all those that you like, variegated and all that. Now, if you want to tell the difference between the two, from a cinnamon to just your normal colours, when the chicks hatch out of the nest, you'll see on both pictures that I will put up on the screen just right at the moment. So your normal standard type of coloured birds have the black eyes, and your cinnamon birds have like a pink eye. So that's how you can tell the difference. And you can actually tell from the day the chick is born. You can see it straight away. So now, if you've got 2 birds that don't look cinnamon, and you've got a bird that's got the pink eyes, then that means the cockbird's a cinnamon carrier. All right, guys. I hope everyone's doing well with their breeding season, and whoever's just pet up their birds and whatever, good luck to everybody. I hope you guys do well, and I'd like to hopefully to see more birds on the show bench for the next show season. All right, guys. Take it easy. I'll see you at the next little episode. Have a good one.
She's fed them, look, Crestbred, see their crops. I'll just give them a little top up. That one's going to be white variegated. See this one here I'm feeding now? Okay. That's it. Crestbred.